Welcome to oneHOWTO. Today we're going to teach some basic reggaeton steps for guys. We start with the first step. We open up our legs and open up our arms in a way that our left arm is going to collide with our right leg. We will then do the other step in the same way on the other side. We repeat it 5, 6, 7 and we do 1, on 2, on 3, on 4 and rest. We now move to our second step. We end here from the first move, then we open up the left leg and the right arm. We're going to go to the side, stop in the middle, and then go to the other side before coming back to the middle. We repeat 7 and we do 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the two steps together. 5, 6, 7 and after this step, we're going to go forward on the left leg and we'll be in front, clap, back and up top. We repeat it 5, 6, 7 and in front, clap, back, up. Let's go to the next step. When we get to this point, we're going to open our legs and we're going to hit the right hip with the right arm. 5, 6, 7 and we do 1, on 2, and then we're going to repeat on the other side, on 3, on 4. When we finish this step, we've done it all, so we end with a little push and then bring it back to the middle. Let's do the 4 steps slowly. 5, 6, 7 and 1, on 2, on 3, on 4 to the side, on 1, on 2, on 3, clap and 1, and hip, 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 and done. Perfect. Now we're going to do all the 4 steps in a row. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Check out our other tutorials with the links in the description, and we'll see you next time.